Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can fix your PS5 stick drift. So in order to fix your PS5 stick drift or fix a controller, all you need to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix it, all you need to do is just follow the instructions and do the procedure accordingly. Now to fix a controller drift for PS5 DualSense, all you need to do is first of all you can try cleaning the PS5 joystick. Now dirt and dust falling into your joystick box may be the cause of your drifting. Now there are a couple of ways to clean your joystick to drift it. Now it is not guaranteed to fix, but it managed to get rid of drift from some period of time, so you can try doing this procedure. First of all, you can press down on your joystick 10 times, rotate 10 times and lift the stick 10 times to dislodge any dust from the stick box. You can also use compressed air and blow out any dust and dirt locked. You can also use isofloric alcohol and a cotton swab to try and break down any dirt buildup. You use a small amount and rub it into a cotton swab. That might be able to fix the issue. If cleaning your joystick does not fix the issue, then you can also try restarting your controller. Now doing so will disconnect your controller from PS5 and reconnect it with factory settings, which might eliminate drift in some cases. All you have to do is just turn off your PS5. Then you need to take a paper clip or a slim ejected and press and hold the tiny button on the back of your DualSense controller for 5 seconds. Now turn on your console again and reconnect the controller with the cable. That might be able to fix the issue. However, this is not an accurate solution. You can also try updating the DualSense controller software. So for that, all you need to do is head over to your settings, and after that you can just go and locate controller. Then you can locate accessories, and from there you can go to controller and you can select wireless controller device software and update it if there is any updates required. And apart from it, you can also try adjusting the dead zone threshold. Now there isn't really a fix but a workaround. This is much more subjective based on the game you're playing. Now, if your controller is drifting, you can adjust its input threshold, and this ensures that it does not reach the range of motions when drifting. So these were some of the ways to fix your PS5 stick drift. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.